Good 40 effervescent tablet filling machine, suitable for large and thin tablets overlapping in a row and filling into tubes or bottles. The machine adopts programmable controller for central control, optical fiber, photoelectric detection, and other functions for stable performance, reliable action, and automatic operation. In case of no tablet, no bottle, no cap, etc., the machine alarms and stops automatically. The parts contacting with tablets are made of 316L stainless steel, which fully meets GMP requirements. It is the perfect machine for packing effervescent tablets in pharmaceutical factories, healthcare product factories, food factories, and similar industries. Production process: feeding tablets to the storage hopper automatically or manually. Tablets screening: arrange table T's, enter the track automatically. Tablets enter packing station. Placing tubes bottles in the same direction automatically or manually into the storage hopper. Feeding tubes bottles to tablet filling station automatically. Feeding caps into caps hopper automatically or manually. Automatic cap arrangement: caps enter cap ping position. When detects there are bottles in the filling station, the machine automatically feeds tablets of THE set quantity into the tubes bottles. Subsequently, caps are automatically pressed on bottle's mouth. In capping process, no tablets are inadequate tablets, no capping, and these tubes bottles are automatically rejected. Completing capping, the tubes bottles are discharged or enter the next process, e.g., bottle unscrambler, cartoning machine, etc.